Morning friends, I am Nehal Manrekar and this is my first vlog. Today I am going for a short ride with my friends. Today is 7th October. The time is around 7:50. So my friend will come to pick me up at Palolem Beach. Palolem Beach is around 83 kilometers from my home. I won't be talking much English, mostly Hindi and English like mix. So we are going by bike. Our plan was to go by car, but then suddenly the plan changed. So only 7 people are coming, 7 or 8 people, I don't know exactly. So let's see how many people show up. Chalo, bye. Eda. Finally reached the Palolem beach. So there it is. That's the butterfly beach over there. Navaraj. Okay. Tejas. Sairaj boy. Rutu. टेक्नोरिम, ये टेक्नोरिम है, ये जुबेर है. ये रुको थोड़ा रुको. ये ओमकार आर्ट्स लाइफ एंड दिस इज शुभम प्रभु. So I'm back home now. It's 5 o'clock. I'm so dark. Okay. If you liked my video, please hit the like button, and if you didn't like, you can dislike it. Subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to put like these videos. In November, I'm going to Rajasthan for a college tour. So for that, I'll be putting a vlog. Let's see. Very tired. Very much. Bye bye.